Today's topic is mechanism of polarization. Mechanism of polarization. Okay, there are three types of mechanism of polarization. Polarization occurs due to the following atomic mechanism. First is electronic polarization (EE). First is electronic polarization. Electronic polarization denoted by PE. Second is ionic. Second is ionic polarization. Ionic polarization. Second is ionic polarization, that is PI. And third one is orientation on dipole polarization. Orientation on dipole polarization. Dipole polarization. This orientation on dipole polarization is denoted by P0. P0. That means mechanism of polarization occurs due to the following atomic mechanisms. First is electron polarization PE, second is ionic polarization PI, and third one is orientation on dipole polarization. It is also called as P0. Okay, that means three types. First is PE, second is PI, and third one is P0. Okay, these are the three types of mechanisms of polarization. Okay, now first of all we have to concentrate on the first, that is electronic polarization. EE, electronic polarization. Electronic polarization. Electronic polarization PE. Okay, for that we have to consider ionic structure. No field structure, and now we draw the light field structure. Light field structure. Plus, this is the light field E. Electronic field is applied here. Applied field is E. Okay. This polarization due to the displacement of negatively charged cloud with respect to the positive nucleus of an atom when electric field is applied to it. Okay, this is the electronic item. Here there is no field because here no external forces applied on this atomic structure. And second diagram, we see here the electrical field is applied to this atomic structure, and we see here the polarization occurs. Okay, electronic polarization set in a short period of time to the order of 10 raised to minus 14 to 10 raised to minus 16 second. Okay, the period of the polarization for this electronic polarization PE is 10 raised to minus 14 to the 10 raised to minus 15 second. Okay, polarization period is 10 raised to minus 14 to the 10 raised to minus 15 seconds. It is independent on the temperature. Okay, On this polarization, no effect on temperature. That means it is independent of temperature effects. Okay. Now we have to derive a short derivation of electronic polarization, that is PE. So consider these two atomic structures. First atomic structure of no field and second is applied field, that is electronic field PE. So the electronic polarization is given by PE equals to we denote the electronic polarization by PE. PE equals to N alpha E capital E. Okay, N alpha E capital E, where N is number of atoms, where N equals to number of atoms per meter cube of a gas. Consider here atoms of gas, that is denoted by N. That means N equals to number of atoms per meter cube of gas. After that, alpha E electronic polarization. Alpha E is electronic polarization. Alpha is electronic polarization. Therefore, we can write this equation, and by rearranging, we will get PE equals to XE epsilon 0 E. Okay, PE equals to XE epsilon 0 E, where X is susceptibility of dielectric, where X is equals to susceptibility of dielectric, where X is susceptibility of dielectric. Therefore, Xe equals to PE upon epsilon 0 E. We rearrange this equation and give this equation number 1 and equation number, this is our equation number 2. Okay, first equation PE equals to Xe epsilon 0 E, where Xe is susceptibility of dielectric. After that, by rearranging this equation, we will get Xe equals to PE epsilon 0 E. Okay, and Xe is susceptibility of dielectric. Since epsilon r is we know that value of the epsilon r is 1 plus Xe. 1 plus Xe. Epsilon is, what is my epsilon? Vivek, last lecture ला पाहिले आपण epsilon काय राहतो? epsilon पाहिलं होतं आपण लास्ट लेक्चरला. काय असतो epsilon म्हणजे? epsilon r, epsilon 0, epsilon r, epsilon 0. आपण काय पाहिलं होतं आपण? विवेक, epsilon काय असतो? What is the epsilon? Epsilon is nothing but the permittivity. As the key permittivity. Okay. Epsilon r means relative permittivity. Okay. Epsilon 0 is permittivity of air or gas or free space. Okay. Since epsilon r is 1 plus Xe. Now put the value of epsilon r in equation number 2. Now we get epsilon r equals to epsilon r equals to, now we get epsilon r equals to 1 plus PE upon epsilon 0 E. Okay, now by putting the value of epsilon r equals to 1 plus XE in equation number 2, we will get epsilon r equals to 1 plus PE upon epsilon 0 E. Therefore, epsilon r equals to 1 plus n, 1 plus n alpha E upon epsilon 0 E. Now we have to rearrange this equation, and we will get the final answer epsilon r equals to 1 plus n 1 plus n epsilon alpha E upon, by cancelling the E, we will get n x alpha E upon epsilon 0. This is the final answer, and this is the expression for dielectric constant due to the dielectric polarization. Okay, this is the expression for dielectric constant due to the dielectric polarization. Okay, what we did here, first of all, PE equals to n alpha E, capital E, where n is number of atoms per meter cube of gas. Okay, we consider here n is the number of atoms per meter cube of gas. After that, X is electronic polarization. X is electronic polarization. Alpha is electronic polarization, and P equals to Xe into epsilon 0 into E. Epsilon 0 is the permittivity of gas. Okay, we consider here epsilon 0 is the permittivity of gas. Then X is susceptibility of dielectric, and X equals to PE upon epsilon 0 E. We know that the epsilon r is nothing but the 1 plus Xe. Well, now we put here epsilon 0 value in this equation, epsilon r value in this equation, and we will get XR equals to 1 plus PE upon epsilon 0 E. By rearranging this term, we will get epsilon r equals to 1 plus n alpha E upon epsilon 0 E. After that, E get cancelled, and we will get epsilon r equals to 1 plus n alpha E epsilon 0. This is the final derivation, and this is the expression for dielectric constant due to the electronic polarization alone. Okay, now we have to concentrate on the second topic, that is ionic polarization, PI. Do you understand this topic? विवेक, हा टॉपिक कळालाय का? विवेक, कळाले का टॉपिक? पॉवर सिस्टीम पीएलसी एकत्र ठेवले. विवेक, काही डाऊट आहे याच्यामध्ये? दुर्गेश, विवेक, कळतंय का काय चाललंय ते? विवेक, रिप्लाय दे. कळालं का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पोलरायझेशन? दुर्गेश दुर्गेश पालवे, दुर्गेश पालवे, आवाज येतोय का तुला? दुर्गेश पालवे, आवाज येतोय का तुला? नुसता जॉईन झालाय. ओके, सेकंड टॉपिक बघू आपण, आयोनिक पोलरायझेशन पीआय. आयोनिक पोलरायझेशन पीआय. Second topic is ionic polarization Pi. Okay. Ionic polarization साठी आपण फक्त काय करू, फील्ड डायग्राम करून घेऊ आपण. पहिले आपण नो फील्डची डायग्राम काढतोय, की कोणती फील्ड अप्लाइड नाहीये. नो फील्ड, ऍटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर वरती कोणती फील्ड अप्लाइड झालेली नाहीये. ओके, नेक्स्ट आपल्याला काय करायचंय, अप्लाइड फील्ड. अप्लाइड फील्ड अप्लाय केल्यानंतर इस डायग्राम मध्ये आपल्याला बघायचंय. ओके, काय अप्लाइड फील्ड आहे. तर काय दिसते आपल्याला यामध्ये, in this type of polarization occurs in ionic crystals like NaCl, PCl. Ionic polarization takes place due to the shifting of charges ions. Okay, काय कोणत्या which atoms we consider here? We consider here NaCl, KCl, okay, NaCl or KCl, okay. This polarization is due to the shifting of charges ions when an electric field is applied to ionic crystals. Okay, काय करतोय आपण या आयनिक क्रिस्टल्स वरती ज्यावेळेस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाय करतो त्यावेळेस आपल्याला हे आयोनायझेशन झालेलं दिसतं. कोणतं आयोनायझेशन? आयोनिक पोलरायझेशन. आयोनिक पोलरायझेशन. आयोनिक पोलरायझेशन त्याला आपण म्हणतो पीआय. ओके, त्यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण पीआय. आयोनिक पोलरायझेशनला म्हणतो आपण पीआय. त्याच्यामुळे ते दिस आयोनिक पोलरायझेशन टेक्स प्लेस ड्यू टू द शिफ्टिंग ऑफ चार्जेस. त्याच्यामुळे होते हे शिफ्टिंग ऑफ charges ion when an electric field is applied to the ionic crystal. This shift of positive ions relate due to the negative ions causes an induced dipole moment in mu I. Okay, okay. This mu I is given by alpha I e. This mu I is given by alpha I e. Okay. Why this dipole moment or ionization polarization occurs? Due to the applied electrical field on crystals. त्याच्यामुळे होते इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड आपण क्रिस्टल्स वरती अप्लाय केली. क्रिस्टल्स वरती NaCl किंवा KCl चे क्रिस्टल्स वरती आपण इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाय केली तर असं ज्या प्रकारचं पोलरायझेशन आपल्याला झालेलं दिसतं. ओके, अशा प्रकारचं पोलरायझेशन आपल्याला झालेलं दिसतं. काय होतं इथे? This shift of positive ions relative to negative ions cause an induced dipole moment is mu I. जी dipole moment आहे induced झालेली mu I कसे मिळवू शकतो आपण? अल्फा I घेता. अल्फा I काय ते? आयोनिक पोलरायझेशन. अल्फा I काय असणार आपला? आयोनिक पोलरायझेशन. ओके, अल्फा I means आयोनिक पोलरायझेशन. Alpha is the ionic polarization. Okay. Then the ionic polarization is given by Pi equals to the ionic polarization is given by Pi equals to alpha I e. Pi equals to alpha I e. Okay, it is given by alpha I e, where alpha is equals to ionic polarization. Where alpha I equals to ionic polarization. Ionic polarization. After that, the ionic polarization is given by. After that, the ionic polarization is given by Pi equals to N alpha I e. Here also N means what? Number of atoms. Okay, N means what? Number of atoms. After that, for most of the material, ionic polarization is less than electronic polarization. That means alpha I is less than alpha E. Okay, because for most of the material, ionic polarization is less than electronic polarization. Therefore, typically alpha I equals to alpha E upon 10. Okay, alpha E upon 10. And this is our final answer. Pi equals to N into Xi E. Okay, this is the ionic polarization Pi. Okay, this is the ionic polarization Pi. This type of polarization occurs in ionic crystals like NaCl, KCl. Okay, ionic polarization takes place due to the shifting of charges ion when an electric field is applied to ionic crystals. Okay, got it? This shift of positive ions relate to negative ions causes an induced dipole moment mu I, and this mu I is given by Alpha I E and alpha I means ionic polarization. Alpha I means ionic polarization. Therefore, ionic polarization is given by 2I equals to N into XI E. Okay, and we know that the ionic polarization is always less than electronic polarization X alpha E. Therefore, typically value of ionic polarization is alpha E upon 10. Okay, got it? Are you getting this topic? Vivek, Durgesh? Are you getting? Pratika? ओके, आपण इथंच थांबू आज. पुढचं लेक्चरला तुम्हाला लिंक येईल. लेफ्ट होऊ शकतो विवेक.